What's in it?
Turbo beans.
400 kilowatt. Holy f***. Yeah. Chrome 2025 has it all. V8s, Rotaries, turbos and everything in between. We went along to the VIP Friday to get amongst it. Let's check out some cars. Good, the boys are good? Yeah. This sounds... Yeah. Starting about now. Hey bro, all good?
Right.
Fucking good to see you.
You too.
Man, car's all good?
All good, yeah, I just got to go out and pick my wife and daughter up and...
Yeah, don't forget them.
We're in there at 5 and 6.
Cool, I'll come say hi. Yeah. Woohoo! Yes. That and rad, man. What's in it?
Turbo beans.
Oh, yeah. That's rad. What's in this, bro?
Beans.
Fuck it, that one's got a beams in it too.
Yeah, it's turbo.
Yeah. Are you mates?
Nah.
Nah.
I've seen it around though.
Fuck, 36 that's where it's at, eh? Oh, it's so good.
Yeah.
Cool,
That
man.
thing's mint.
Hey?
That thing's pretty neat.
Yeah. I'm a big fan of this. Cool, man. Oh, here's trouble. Yes. Woohoo!
brakes behind.
Yeah.
Where's on no systems. What a company you want to take out today, do it again.
Yeah.
Here's the can, just see.
Because I've got them if you're looking for them.
Hey man.
How you going?
I'm good, I'm Gator.
Yeah.
You drove past me and Charlie last year. I've been following you. Every time I've seen your car anywhere, I'm like, there he is, there he is.
Zach that time. Zach was driving.
Oh, was it? That was the motor popped, didn't it? Was it?
I
Yeah.
ended up chewing the can.
Yep. Fucking love it, man. So what's in it now?
LQ9.
Oh,
So
Jesus.
6 litre, yeah. That was in my Truman. That was always meant to go in it.
That's right.
I got lazy and couldn't be bothered putting it in, so.
And so that's just a stacker. I'm not very big with V8s. That's
just
just
a
tunnel
tunnel
ram.
ram.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So that's just a nice long runner to get air in.
Yeah, it actually starves them from the horsepower. These
Ah.
Alex don't like them, but it fits.
That's,
looks-
yeah, I'm all for that.
We couldn't fit it under the bonnet, and that was my whole goal was to get it under the bonnet. So
How?
We couldn't, but we just couldn't. So we went, fuck it.
Check this out. I was chatting to this guy earlier. Beams, turbo, K30. Like, what the heck? Hey, look at his bonnet clip things.
Right, so
That's something
there
I
is
haven't
a
seen
black
before.
Mustang that's parked down there in front of one of the garages, garage 1920. That is.
Oh, that's nice.
So
we're in a K70 with...
It is a 4AGE blacktop turbo.
Oh, yes!
Yeah.
How many
Got a-
how many powers are we playing?
I think we were at 205 kilowatts.
Yes.
A recent dyno.
Yes.
We've got a shortened and shimmed Hilux diff,
Yes.
so she's pretty tight.
Cool, man.
And turbo.
Woohoo. Oh, this is neat. It's really nicely put together too.
Yeah, it's cool, eh?
Yeah, I really like the
Aw.
buttons. Oh,
Got it. High boost and everything.
just time to take his fucking hoodie off. Jesus! Why is it always an R33?
Because the steering wheel is
Go high.
so... No, steering?
Oh, yep. There it is.
Okay, cool.
Yeah, fuck yeah. Look, it's green too. That's wow. Look at that color. Wow. That was rad. Thank you very much, Sam.
No worries. Thanks for coming.
Very non-assuming R35. This car is fast. It's so just understated and hidden. So 9 seconds. Fuck, it's a cool car. God, it looks good. Yeah. I'm Gator.
Ryan.
I've got a green 4H one.
True. You go 4H in the
Yeah,
last couple
fucking, I
months.
was impressed, especially with your airbox. I like
Yeah,
that.
so it's just panel steel.
Yeah,
Panel powered aluminium yet, so I was like, oh well, steel it is.
it does the job.
Yeah, so eventually when I get a computer, then I just go and trumpet.
Oh, you're still running factory SDU? Oh, buzzy.
Like to get it converted, get it to chrome.
What gearbox?
Okay?
What gearbox?
Okay.
That's what I had.
yeah.
Well, still have.
Yeah.
I've got a T to go in. That's my next mission.
Yeah. So that's my next goal was like.
You're living my life.
Yeah.
What's the diff?
Factory.
Yeah, same.
This car has just been like, I've had it since I was 16.
Yeah.
And
I've had 14 of them, so I've done similar, but I just keep changing.
Yeah.
I finally got my two-door green non-drop hatch, and that is pinnacle to me. Yeah, that's where I wanted.
Yeah, I agree with the drop hatch 2-door.
Yeah.
But yeah, so just had it forever and finally decided like, fuck, I need a car for chrome. Let's do this one.
Yeah.
And then it'll just get better from there.
Yeah, man. I'm a huge fan. I spotted it out there ages ago. I was like, oh, I gotta go find it. Cool, man. Oh, well, nice to meet you, bro.
Same.
Have a fun day.
See you around.
Yeah. Yeah, it's cool. Yeah. Fuck yeah. Is that one of yours? Is that yours? Yeah. What's in it? 4H. Nice. Turbo or? Yeah. Nice. I've got a green one with a 4H.
Oh, nice.
Yeah. Not quite as set up as that though. What's in the back of it? Is that like a T series?
Hilux.
Oh, fuck yeah.
Yeah, built Hilux stuff.
Yeah, true. I was wondering because it's so wide.
Yeah.
Rad, man. Can I look at the engine?
Yeah, go hard.
Yeah. Just pop it up. Oh yeah. Is it a ZE motor?
It started, nah, it wasn't. It was just the block, just a red top.
Yep.
16 valve.
Yep.
Yeah. Small port,
Yeah, small port.
but it wasn't a ZE, nah.
Man.
Now it's full billet internals.
Oh, well, you went hard.
Yeah, full billet internals the whole way out.
What power did you manage?
Just touching on 400 kilowatt.
Holy
Yeah.
bro, you're a madman.
Yeah, it's fast.
No shit.
Yeah, like I'm back corner and that, like 4th gear.
Bro, that's fucking mental.
Yeah, it's good fun.
I'm really happy to hear that.
Yeah.
Is it a W series gearbox?
Yeah.
Yeah. Fucking cool, bro.
It's all like the foot in it, that's what it shouldn't do. Like, I was like, I want to try drifting, and everyone's like, don't do it in that.
Yeah, they're too short, everyone says.
Everyone's like, they're too short. It's like, it's 40 mil shorter than an FC RX-7.
Yep.
They drift those sweet as.
And they're not a whole lot shorter than an 86.
No,
it's like
50 mil?
Yeah, I was gonna say 30 or 50 mil.
Yeah.
Because back in the day, a guy called Jamie did a circuit car,
Yeah.
and he pushed his wheelbase out to 86 wheelbase.
Yeah.
And he could do it within the, he had an N2 kit, but still.
Yeah. So,
Fucking cool,
with,
man.
With the 8.6 steering lock in it, and it's got so much angle. Like,
Yeah.
I'm thrown into that corner, and I'm just like buried in it, and
Still more.
oh, heaps.
Wow.
More than enough. Smile on your face. Ridiculously fast.
Yeah.
I got a full set of slicks for it, and we're going to do some racing people in the track, but can't do everything, eh?
Nah. Oh, tomorrow, bro. You're here a weekend, right?
I didn't even bring them up.
Oh, right.
I'd break a gearbox.
You reckon?
Probably.
Wow.
A full slicks and a 58.
Buzzing.
When they're strong. Maybe
Oh,
a fourth.
no, that's all right. I forget how much fucking power you've got. Yeah.
But yeah. If I didn't have so much power, yeah, I'd be mad.
Yeah, I'm 100 horsepower at the wheels.
Beautiful.
Yeah. And on the road, bro,
Smile.
you're a fucking nut bar, man. I love it. Thank you.
Come